Imagine walking into a home where nothing feels heavy. No clutter on the tables. No piles in the corners. Just calm. Just space to breathe. That's the Amish way. They live with secrets most of us forget. Simple habits that keep their homes always in order. No fancy tools. No complicated systems. Just discipline. Just gratitude. Today, inside Rustic Pantry, I'll share with you those timeless secrets. 15 powerful ways the Amish keep their homes clean, calm, and beautifully organized. 1. The rule of less is more. Step inside an Amish home and you notice it right away. The air feels lighter. The rooms look calmer. Not because they're decorated with expensive pieces, but because they're not stuffed with things at all. They live by the rule of less is more. A chair is just a chair. A table is just a table. No piles stacked in corners. No endless decorations fighting for attention. This is not minimalism in the trendy sense. It's survival. It's discipline. Every item serves. If it doesn't, it goes. They don't cling to maybe one day I'll use it. They live with what is needed today. And that's why their homes breathe peace. 2. A place for everything and everything in its place. The Amish don't lose things. Not because they never forget, but because their homes are designed to remember for them. The hammer goes back to its nail on the wall. The apron hangs on the same peg. The spoons rest in the same drawer always. You won't see a child tossing shoes in the hallway because even the shoes have their own corner. This secret sounds simple, but it's powerful. When everything has a home, you don't fight clutter. You don't argue with piles. You simply put it back where it belongs. Most of us fail here. We drop things wherever it feels easy. But easy in the moment creates chaos later. The Amish know discipline in small habits saves hours of disorder. 3. The power of built-in storage. The Amish don't buy plastic bins every season. They don't keep running to the store for more shelves. Why? Because they build their storage into their life. The bench at the table might open to hold winter quilts. The walls carry handmade cupboards reaching to the ceiling. A bed isn't just a bed. It hides drawers for linens. This is smart, simple living. They design their homes to serve their needs, not fight against them. It teaches us something. Instead of buying more boxes to hide clutter, build storage into what you already use. A chest that holds toys. A table with hidden drawers. A cabinet built strong enough to last decades. It looks cleaner. It feels lighter. 4. Daily reset routine. Amish homes don't let mess grow roots. Every evening, there's a reset. Tables are cleared. Floors swept. Tools returned. Dishes washed. The day closes clean, and tomorrow starts fresh. No waiting until Saturday for a big cleaning day. Because when you wait, piles form. Piles become mountains, and mountains crush you. The Amish avoid this by small daily resets. 10 minutes here, 15 there. Done. It's not a chore, it's a rhythm. Like breathing. Their homes don't fall apart because they don't give mess a chance to win. 5. Family involvement in organization. In Amish homes, order is not one person's burden. Children are trained young. They pick up after themselves. They fold simple laundry. They sweep small corners. Everyone plays a role. This is key. It's not about perfection. It's about respect. Respect for the home. Respect for the family. When everyone shares the work, no one feels crushed by it. Contrast that with many modern homes, where one person fights clutter alone. Stress builds. Resentment grows. The Amish way? Share the load. Even the smallest hands can put toys back in a box. And when it becomes routine, it doesn't feel like work. It feels like life. 6. Seasonal rotation of items. Step into an Amish closet in July. You won't see heavy coats stuffed in there. Quilts are tucked away in wooden chests, waiting for winter. Tools not in use are stored in the barn. This rotation is deliberate. It keeps space open. It keeps life simple. We often overcrowd our shelves because we try to keep everything visible at once. Coats and sandals, winter blankets and summer sheets, everything crammed together. The Amish solve this with seasonal rotation. Only keep out what you use now. Store the rest. When the season changes, switch. It feels like breathing in and out. Spacious. Organized. 7. Simple cleaning tools, big impact. The Amish don't own machines for every little thing. They don't stack their homes with gadgets that promise to clean faster but end up gathering dust. Their secret is simple. A sturdy broom, a scrub brush, a bucket of water mixed with vinegar or soap. That's it. These tools last for years. They get used daily, cared for, stored neatly. Modern homes often drown in supplies. 10 sprays, 5 vacuums, countless wipes. But still, clutter grows. The Amish remind us, a few trusted tools, used well, are enough. Fewer tools mean fewer things to organize. 8. The discipline of finishing tasks. One thing the Amish are strict about: finish what you start. If laundry is washed, it is dried, folded, and stored the same day. No overflowing baskets waiting for later. If a meal is cooked, the kitchen is cleaned immediately, not left overnight. This small discipline keeps their homes free of half-done jobs. Half-done is dangerous. Half-done piles up. A sink full of dirty dishes. A couch buried in clean but unfolded clothes. A floor swept but never mopped. We all know this cycle. The Amish break it by simply finishing. They don't drag today's work into tomorrow. 9. Multi-purpose rooms, not overcrowded rooms. The Amish know how to make one room serve many needs. A dining room might also be used for sewing, studying, or meetings. But here's the difference. They clear away one activity before starting the next. Dinner time? The table is free. Study time? Books are set out, then removed. Nothing lingers. Nothing overlaps. Modern homes often suffer from overcrowding. TV on the dining table, paperwork on the couch, toys everywhere. The secret is not to avoid multi-use, but to respect transitions. Clear the space before moving on. It's discipline. It's respect for the room. 10. Respect for handmade and durable items. Walk into an Amish home and you notice something, things last. A chest built by grandfather still holds clothes. A sturdy quilt still keeps a family warm after years. Why? Because they choose durability over trend. They buy less. They use longer. They value handmade. When you own fewer, stronger things, you don't waste energy organizing junk. You don't keep fixing broken items or finding places for cheap clutter. You care for what you have, and it serves you well. That's the Amish way. Quality reduces chaos. 11. Weekly deep cleaning. Daily resets keep order. But once a week, Amish homes go deeper. Floors scrubbed, bedding washed, wood polished, rooms aired out. It's not rushed. It's not done out of guilt. It's a rhythm, a weekly cleanse that keeps the home alive. Modern life often skips this. We clean only when guests come or when mess becomes unbearable. But the Amish don't wait. They keep ahead of the mess. A home that's cared for regularly never falls into neglect. And that's the secret. They prevent problems instead of reacting to them. 12. The quiet beauty of empty surfaces. One of the most striking things, you walk into an Amish kitchen, the counters are bare. The table is empty unless it's being used. Shelves aren't stuffed with knickknacks. Empty space. Silence. Calm. Many of us fear emptiness. We feel a need to decorate every inch, cover every corner, fill every shelf. But empty surfaces are easier to clean. They give rest to the eyes. They make rooms feel bigger. The Amish embrace it. They don't see emptiness as lack. They see it as beauty. 13. Order through handmade labels. Jars of flour, jars of sugar, shelves of tools, all labeled. Simple handwriting, no fancy stickers, but effective. No guessing, no confusion. No one says, "Where does this go?" Order is obvious. That's another small Amish trick. Make things clear. Modern homes sometimes fall apart because no one knows where things belong. One person has the system, the rest are lost. Labels solve that. A label says, "This belongs here." It's quiet authority. It prevents excuses. 14. Respect for morning and evening routines. An Amish day starts with rhythm. Beds made, animals fed, kitchen tidied, and it ends with rhythm. Dishes washed, floors swept, clothes folded. This cycle frames their lives. It doesn't feel like chores. It feels like breathing in and out. Small tasks repeated daily prevent chaos from sneaking in. Many of us rush mornings and collapse at night, leaving things undone. That builds disorder. The Amish don't skip. They respect beginnings and endings. And that keeps their homes steady, always. 15. Living with gratitude, not excess. The final secret runs deeper than storage or cleaning. It's about mindset. The Amish live with gratitude. They believe what they have is enough. They don't chase every new item. They don't fill homes with things just to keep up with neighbors. Gratitude stops clutter at the root, because clutter often comes from wanting more, buying more, never feeling enough. The Amish know when your heart is full, your home stays light. Gratitude brings peace. Excess brings chaos. That's the true core of Amish organization. So you see, it's not about chasing perfection. It's not about buying endless storage boxes or cleaning gadgets. It's about small choices, less stuff, clear routines, family effort, gratitude for what you already have. That's how the Amish keep order without stress. And you can too. If you start with even one of these habits, your home will begin to feel lighter, calmer, more alive. Thank you for watching Rustic Pantry. Stay with us for more simple, timeless wisdom to bring peace and balance into your home. Until next time, keep it rustic, keep it real.